To ensure your analyzer is giving you the highest quality data possible, the liquid in the gas-liquid separator, or GLS, should be periodically replaced. Failure to do this may result in low recovery and poor reproducibility. The liquid in the GLS should be replaced every 1 to 2 weeks and should take less than 5 minutes to complete. To replace the water in the gas-liquid separator, you will need the following: a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, and about 100 ml of high-quality DI water, preferably 18 megaohm. Anytime we're performing maintenance on an InnovOx, we should always take safety precautions. That means wearing safety glasses, chemical-resistant gloves, and of course, a lab coat. Before performing maintenance on the GLS, remove the fluidics cover. To remove the GLS, disconnect the pinch tubing extending from V7R and the waste tubing from the front of the assembly. Using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, remove the GLS retention bracket by turning the captive mounting screw anti-clockwise. Disconnect the 3 sections of tubing from the top of the GLS. Remove the top of the GLS by gently pulling on the assembly. Discard the liquid. Make sure to retain the gray spacer housed within the GLS body. Rinse the GLS top and the body to remove any solids or contamination, making sure to check all barb fittings for blockages. With the gray spacer installed, refill the GLS about halfway with high-quality DI water, preferably 18 megaohm. Reinstall the GLS top, making sure it is completely seated. Making sure the barbs on the front of the GLS are facing forward, reconnect the 3 sections of tubing to the top of the assembly. Starting on the left, connect the section of tubing extending from the top of the halogen trap. Next, connect the section of tubing with the NDIR filter to the center barb. Connect the remaining section of tubing extending from the sparger to the barb on the right. Once the 3 connections have been made, place the GLS back into the mounting bracket, making sure not to pinch any tubing. For easy reference, there is a schematic of the proper tubing connections located inside the analyzer to the right of the GLS. Replace the GLS retention bracket and tighten by turning the captive mounting screw clockwise. Reconnect the pinch tubing extending from V7R and the waste tubing to the front of the GLS. The section of tubing extending from V7R should be reconnected to the upper right barb. The waste tubing should be connected to the lower left barb. Reinstall the fluidics cover. GLS maintenance is now complete and the analyzer is ready for analysis.